Avoid the winds or storm. Saying things. This who's gonna win? I already told number 1 is 17. It is us now.
Ano naman, naisan na niya. Sinabi niya na agar for me and Christopher Javier because he has the computer at home. Sinabi niya. I hope that this is not an issue.
But tapos na, Dad!